きなたこ焼きを作ります。
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Joy and welcome to our video. This video is for Muslims who are living in Japan and facing some problem with eating food. Now we hope that this video will help you to cook Japanese food. And today we're gonna try takoyaki. This is very popular food in Japan. Originally from Osaka, but you can find everywhere in Japan. But unfortunately, most of them are not halal, so you can eat. But today we're gonna introduce how to cook the halal way, so that you can cook by yourself and you can also share to your friends. Now let us begin.
1/4 of cabbage, 2 eggs, 150 grams of octopus, half bundle of green onion, some green dried seaweeds, some dried bonito, oil, 200 grams of takoyaki mix. Not all takoyaki mix are halal. We found one from Gyeom Super.
You also need 600 cc of water.
This is takoyaki pan you can find from supermarket and it cost about 1,000 yen. Put takoyaki mix into the bowl. Eggs with water. When you are done, mix it with takoyaki mix. Now, you have to mix it very well until it becomes very smooth. Well done! Now your dough is ready. Before we go to next, this is item which will help you. It's oil brush, which you can find in Syria and 100 yen shop. Spread the oil on the pan. Pour the dough half of the whole. Put a slice of octopus in each hole. Now spread the cabbage on top. And green onion. Now pour the dough again, and this time quite a lot. When you see the dough become slightly hard, this is the sign that you have to make the shape of the ball. Seems you are done here. Put about 8 balls in a plate. Now you have to use takoyaki sauce. This takoyaki sauce, which you can find in Gyeom Super, is halal. Finally, spread the dried bonito and dried seaweed as a decoration. And if you like, you can use mayonnaise also.
Okay, we are done here. How was it? Yeah, it was not that difficult, I guess. There's another thing that you might know is that we use octopus today, but you can use other things. Like if you like, for example, I like chicken, so I can put chicken inside, and it will be very fine. Anything you want. Okay, we'll see, and take care of your health, and goodbye.